How to make Brave browser the default browser in your Android phone. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos. We have many tutorials for many apps which are classified in playlists in the channel. And let's get started. So Brave has been very famous lately. Many people has been using it and many people liked it more than other browsers. But they don't know what's the way or how to make it the default browser. That's what we're going to do now, so go with us and follow this tutorial. To make Brave the default browser, you have two ways. Either to go to Brave's own settings and click on make default, or go to the Android settings and go to the apps and select Brave for the browser. For the first way, you just go to the three dots down in Brave when you open it and click on set as default browser. Let's click on it and click on next. Then choose Brave from these browsers and then click on set as default. When you click set as default, now Brave is set as default. The second way is going to the settings and scrolling down until you find apps. Click on apps and click on manage apps, and then go to the three dots up, click on it and choose default apps. Go to the browser, and then as you can see there is no default browser set, so we're gonna choose Brave. As you can see there is Chrome, Brave browser, and many other browsers. We just want to choose Brave, and when we choose it and go back, Brave is gonna be our default browser. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.